If you want to sell products on your GoDaddy website, adding a shopping cart is one of the most important steps you can take. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a shopping cart in GoDaddy step by step so you can start accepting orders and turn your site into a real online store. This is perfect if you're setting up a new business website, adding products to an existing site, or just trying to make your GoDaddy website ready for e-commerce. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, go to GoDaddy.com and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the account that owns the website you want to edit, because the store settings will only appear on the correct project. Once you're inside your dashboard, click on My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your websites, domains, and services in one place. Under Websites plus Marketing Key, click Manage. That will open the site you want to work on. From there, click Edit Website. This takes you into the website builder, where you can change the design, edit pages, and add store features. Now look for the store or commerce section. Depending on your website setup, GoDaddy may label this slightly differently, but the goal is to find the area that controls online selling. If your store is not active yet, click Start Store or Enable Online Store. This turns on the shopping cart and storefront features for your website. Once the store is enabled, click Store, then go to Products. This is where you manage everything that appears in your catalog. Next, click Add Product. Here you'll enter all the important product details that customers need before they buy. Add the product name, set the price, upload a clear image, and write a description that explains what the item is. You can also make sure your product information is easy to understand and accurate, because that helps build trust and improves your chances of making a sale. After everything looks good, save the product. At this point, your item has been added to your store and your shopping cart system is now connected to your website. The final step is to publish your site. Publishing pushes all of your changes live so visitors can actually see the store and start adding products to their cart. If you skip this step, your updates may stay hidden in the editor and your customers won't see them, so always make sure you publish once you're finished. And that's it. You've successfully added a shopping cart in GoDaddy and created the foundation for selling online. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check back for more GoDaddy and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.